Python. Checking if a dictionary is empty doesn't seem to work. I am trying to check if a dictionary is empty, but it doesn't behave properly. It just skips it and displays online without anything except to display the message. Any ideas why?
Empty dictionaries evaluate to false in Python. Thus, your isEmpty function is unnecessary. All you need to do is
Here are 3 ways you can check if dict is empty. I prefer using the first way only though. The other 2 ways are way too wordy.
If the length is 0, it means that the dict is empty.
Simple ways to check an empty dict are below. Method 1 is more strict, because when it equals none, method 1 will provide the correct result, but method 2 will give an incorrect result.
If you want to control these disks,